What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Corvette. Glad you are tuning into the channel. I know it's been a minute, so let's go ahead. We'll make the video, just kind of give you an update on everything that's going on. You can see the car right behind me in the back. But anyway, guys, so y'all know I started the mobile detailing business not too long ago. Made a video about it called Rogue Auto Detailing. And I've been trying to get that started, guys. So it's been kind of slow, trying to get clients and stuff like that. So that's kind of where I've been using most of my time, is doing that and other things. But anyway, I'm still posting on the Instagram, and I just haven't really been doing too much with the car here, just because I'm trying to get the ball rolling with that one. So I've just been busy with work and doing that for you. But guys, I just wanted to make this quick update video just to kind of show you basically where I've been at. And as it's in Texas, or I'm sorry, excuse me, I live in Texas, so San Antonio. So the weather has been getting colder here now. So it's been, like 40s and 50s for the last couple days. So I was going to go to Cars and Coffee at Six Flags and record it, but it was super, super cold. It was like 40 degrees out there. And, I had family who came over. So I was like, you know what, we'll just do it on the next meet that comes out. But anyway, so we're just here at the house chilling. And there's the car right there. Like I said, guys, there's a bunch of stuff that we're going to be doing to the car here in the future, but I just kind of wanted to make a video because it's been like a month since I posted, so I just didn't want y'all to think I completely dropped off the face of the earth and I'm not making videos anymore. But I should probably be having a video come out for a car show or two here in the the next probably week, I would assume. There's something going on this weekend where I have some time to go ahead and do that. But yep. But anyway, guys, so here's the car as it always looks. Awesome. And I'm going to probably be going out of town here at the time I'm making this video to a car show down in College Station where I used to live. So people who will be seeing that will know that I'm traveling there. But I'm needing to go detail some family members' cars. So I'm going to be taking this, because basically all they want is like a basic, so I'm just going to fit the stuff in the back there, and we're going to be rolling with the detailing stuff to College Station to go detail a couple cars and get that underway. So we're taking this beauty and going to do that. So, but anyway, she does look pretty good though. And I got the bra that I'm going to put on the front. So if you other Corvette owners or car guys, buy that Novi Stretch. If you don't have PPF, I would at least buy the Novi Stretch bra. It just goes on the front. You can take it off, after you get to your destination. But I made a video about it. You can look it up in my playlists. Link is in the description if you do find that video for that. But I highly recommend at least getting a Novi Stretch bra for long distance traveling when you're going out of town, because the bugs and the rock chips and stuff, that bra really does help eliminate anything that will damage the front of your car for sure. So I'm going to be sprouting that when we actually go, and there'll be a car show over there, Cars and Coffee. I'm going to be taking that out and doing that. So it should be pretty good there. But anyway, guys, I always just want to in my videos, just take the time to thank y'all for supporting me and, following my Instagram, following my YouTube. I'm getting a lot of YouTube subscribers now, almost at 2,000. Wow. Y'all almost got me to 2,000. Keep it up, guys. I know I'm not putting out as much as I've been doing in the past, but man, y'all really seem to be watching my videos, and I'm always, responding to comments like the second I get them. But, I've kind of been like an inspiration to a lot of y'all. Not trying to like single anybody out, but there's been a couple guys who've messaged me saying, hey, I've seen your videos, and after I saw them, you've inspired me to buy a Corvette or buy a C7 or buy whatever. So it means a lot to me that people watch my videos and they see all the mods that I'm doing for mine, and they like them, or they want to go get a red C7 like mine, or or just a C7 or a Corvette in general after seeing my videos. So man, it's kind of surreal how I didn't think I'd have a following like that ever with buying this car. But I mean, almost got 14,000 followers on Instagram and almost 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. I just need 50 more and I have 2,000. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys, if you're new to the channel. I make a bunch of videos on car shows and just stuff to this vehicle right here, my 2014 C7 Z51. But anyway, guys, I really just want to again say thank y'all for helping me get to this point, because like I said, I never thought I'd be approaching 2,000 subscribers on YouTube and almost 14,000 followers on Instagram. And TikTok, you know, I don't post too much on there, every now and then, but that one's over 2,000. So, I mean, this is just a hobby that I was doing. And, you know, I bought the car just because, you know, I really was, you know, wanting to mod it and be my first, you know, first vet and stuff like that. But a lot of y'all seem to really, you know, ask me questions and send me, you know, things in the in my Instagram and YouTube, and y'all real kind and stuff like that. So I really just I really appreciate it. And there's the thing right there. Auto detailing. But yeah, guys, I'm really happy that y'all have kind of helped me get to this point as far as my social media and my following goes. But anyway, I'm just blabbing on and kind of repeating myself here, but it means a lot to me. It really does, that I have a following like that. But don't forget, guys, follow that right there. Okay, guys, anyway, this is pretty much the video. I just wanted to be super quick and short. I can't even talk right now. I keep stuttering. But anyway, next video should be coming out. Maybe it's a car show, hopefully, if everything goes well with it. And we'll hopefully get some more, you know, shows come in, maybe a couple more mods. We'll see with the whip here. I still want to boost it, still want to do other stuff to it, but time will tell. Time will tell, guys. All right, this is the Rogue Vet out, guys. Thank y'all for everything. Catch me in the next video. All right, peace.